Okay guys, the market wants to go a little bit higher. We have already a 50,000 volume candle.
Order submitted.
Gonna place a limit order here. Nasdaq wants to go higher. Still we haven't seen an imbalance to the upside on the micro ES.
Order filled.
Okay, we got filled. Gonna give it some room. Nasdaq has a lot of resistance in this area, but still printing lots of embodies to the upside. Okay, let's see, we can make a little bit higher. We can add to that position. This is a lot of commitment, guys. We have a 30K bar here, which stopped the market. Was a big volume. Then we see a 50K bar here. That's a lot of volume. Now the guys are really interested in moving the market. Let's hope everything is fine. Okay, let's see.
Order submitted.
Add to the position here. See, the Nasdaq needs to break this high. We've been following this volume, and I think it's gonna work to the upside. Still, we haven't seen a high frequency trader print here. Let's see if they come in, they step in. Okay guys, I'll pause the video so it won't be too long. Okay guys, I'm gonna bail out. This market
Order filled.
is not moving, so we wait a little bit, see what happens. Nasdaq is diverging. Okay, we short the ES now. See the big sellers in the Nasdaq. Of course, the ES will follow. Okay, now the tape is starting to move. Okay, so the ES is starting to move. Not as I want, but let's see if we can go a little bit lower so we can add to that position, as we really need that cushion to. Okay, we'll give it some room. Okay, now the ES starting to move a little bit more. We still need to see conviction. Haven't seen any frequency traders triangle, neither to the upside, neither to the downside, only in the morning in the open, but we don't trade the open. It's too crazy. Okay, so yeah, this Nasdaq divergence here just shook me out of this trade. So first trade is a loser. See, lots of selling, guys. Let's see. That's a back of sellers here. Now we see a high frequency trader triangle here.
Order submitted.
We can add to the position.
Order stop filled.
As soon as it touched this area, there were buyers in the tape. In the three instruments, you see, in the Nasdaq, in the YM, everybody was buying down here. You see here, buyers are not having commitment here in the Nasdaq. They continue the short side. Hopefully, yes, will follow. See an aggressive arrow in the micro ES. But still not convinced. The market is just not moving. See lots of selling. You can see the imbalance to the sell side, but we don't see speed in the tape. We would like to see that these guys, they just break these levels like they usually do. But right now it's just something is holding back the market. Well, hopefully it's gonna be moving now. See more sellers in the tape. Or buyers down here in the Nasdaq. Can be profit taking, but no, I don't see any rush in selling here. Still buyers over here in the ES. I can see they just touch this area and just start buying. There goes the Nasdaq, there goes the sellers. Let's see, the tape is gonna move. Give it some room. I'm using this very tight stop. Very sensitive. There goes the micro ES. Perfect reversal here. See Nasdaq divergence here. It's pulling the ES. There goes the Nasdaq. See an imbalance here. We didn't see none of this in this side, but we see minus 259. I'll hold a little bit. I don't see too much buying. It's worth to hold. I like this 60,000 volume candle. It's a lot of volume. Okay, another imbalance here. Took 4 seconds, minus 480 contracts. Go. We need to break this support area. Okay, we see buyers here, guys. I think I'm gonna bail out.
Order filled.
Yeah, Nasdaq divergence. We see buyers down low here. Micro ES buyers down here.
Order submitted.
If it reverses, we would like to go to the upside with the market. Not too much volume to the sell side, so maybe it can go lower, maybe not. But I prefer to exit and re-enter if the market continues low. Yeah, we see buyers in the tape starting to buy the low. The Nasdaq hasn't made a pullback in this reversal here. There's no intention of pulling back. High frequency trader triangle here. The same in the micro ES.
Order submitted. Or
It's a correlation to the upside. See, the Nasdaq is not pulling back. Yes, aggressive buyers down here. Still, but no support from the buyers down low here. There's no buyers in this area. We need to see speed in the tape in this area. There you go. There's buyers in tape now. Same for the micro ES. Nasdaq straight line to the upside. Still not big seller, so we're gonna hold to the trade. Still no menace to the downside. Okay, hopefully Nasdaq hasn't make a pullback. Still a lot of harmony in this leg. So we saw the blue arrows in the micro ES and the ES, so meaning aggressive volume. Okay, so we see a correlation to the upside, and it was correct. Then we see the confirmation of the highest frequency trader here. We barely see it here, so that means a lot. So we can still hold this trade. Else I can get break even in this trade if market reverses, as the market can do crazy things sometimes. Okay, let's see if we can get something out of here. It's time to try to exit something. I don't like it when the market stalls too much. Lots of buyers in the Nasdaq.
Target filled.
Target filled.
First contract out. Okay guys, I think I'm exiting here. I don't want the market to retrace too much and just wipe away the profits. Okay, one loser guys and two winners.
Target filled.
So
Target filled.
not a bad day. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video, so you can contact me. I can explain you everything. And thanks for watching.